Hey, how are you? This one's a little bit more difficult to explain. So the only other problem I see is the totals for the project and the division are sum totaling the whole level up. So I'll show you real quick. So we'll do an extreme case so we can see the difference. So let's say this is 280 right now, and then we're going to add in 100 and then 100, right? Oops. Okay, so it should be only sum totaling. I think if you fix the other one, this should actually, I'm thinking out loud here, but this should actually both kind of tie in together. So you had 280 and now we have 480. So the thing is, if it just pulled from this number, then our sum total of the project wouldn't go up as total. So like if I knock out this 100, which because it's number 2 in the bidding list, it's not even applicable. It actually drops the total here, which is incorrect. Also, same thing happening with the division total. Let's add. Well, we were at 84,000, and then if we level them up, it should only be adding the low bidder. But so you had 84,000, and now if you add them both in, this one doesn't even matter. It's 280. So both of them are kind of pulling from the wrong area. If they pulled from just this column, then I think if we fix number 1 and 2, maybe potentially these will be fixed as well. Overall, looks awesome. Great job. Thank you very much.